Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to draw something different. Friends, it might be a couple of months back when I have seen one of my favorite artists had drawn a very similar picture which I'm drawing right now. And she drawn this drawing with graphite pencils, and she announced that for sales on Instagram itself on her stories, and she decided that the price will be 160 US dollars. I just thought, why this much money for a drawing? Because I'll be doing the same thing for $10 up to my level, and no one will be buying that. Coming to the point, friends, I don't know why she is charging much, because she will not be charging that much money usually, and it is a bit higher than the usual. And a week ago, I came across the news. Actually, this drawing was drawn by an Italian artist originally. He is the first person to draw this. Actually, the drawing is and banana stick to a wall with a duct tape. And he is the first person to draw this, and he sold his artwork for 120,000 US dollars. It is very costly, friends, because if we convert 1,20,000 US dollars to Indian money, it may be around 87 to 88 lakh Indian rupees. It is very costly, friends, and I just thought I want to draw it, not to compare, not to complain like that, not to do anything like that. I just want to draw it and see it on my hands. So here's my drawing, friends. After watching this, if you like this drawing, just if this drawing deserves a like, just give a thumbs up and share with your friends, and let me know the comments down below. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and keep on supporting my friends. Way more to go. Yeah. Then I just thought I want to draw it. The price is very costly, and there's two reasons an artist charging much for his drawing. The number one reason is the effort he put into that drawing. Number two is his fame. If a famous artist doing a work, it will be costly than an artist who is just now starting his career. Then the second aspect, if we see it on a client side, if we love something, we will be doing anything for that. So the client may love that art, so he may spend a lot for that. If the client have money, he could spend. Yeah. Then for this drawing, I didn't use anything special. I didn't even use my highlighting tools for over here. I just used a gray color pencil and lemon yellow and then chromium yellow and some browns. I don't know the name for that, but some browns and black. That's it. I'm signing it right now. I'm so happy to present this drawing before you, my friends. And if you are new to this channel, I'd love to have you subscribe right here. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Keep on supporting my friends. A way more to go. Thank you so much for watching, friends. See you on the next video. Bye.